Encoder Fashion. I'm Rose. Today I'm going to show you how to sew a buttonhole with Brother CS-6000i sewing machine. I also want to share with you the tips and tricks on how to sew these buttonholes. First, take this foot off from the machine, and then you see this right here. This is the buttonhole marker. Okay, so you slide this way. How you slide it all the way here, and then you insert the button that you're gonna use for shirt or jacket. For example, with this buttonhole, I'm gonna use this jacket button. So insert that into this slot here. Let me point it. See right here, and then you adjust this to have a fitted. See right here, this is tight fitted. So what I'm gonna do is slide in and out a couple of times to get kind of loose fitted, but still hold. You see, when I do this, it's still in there. Although it is like kind of, look, when I insert this right here, this button, to get a perfect fit, it's kind of hold down a little bit, but I can slice it out easily. So that's what you want. Now I'm going to connect this buttonhole foot back to my sewing machine. So this is my sewing machine. I'm going to connect it. When you connect this buttonhole foot back to the machine, use your hand to help lift the foot up a little bit, and then put it right there, and then you connect it back. Okay? Oops. Okay, imagine this is a jacket or a shirt. Alright, now you can insert it under the buttonhole foot and put down the foot. Okay, now place your foot onto your sewing puddle and let's sew. Step on it and let the machine do its magic. Okay, so use your hand to lift the needle up And now you lift the foot up and pull it forward because then it won't bend the needle. Alright, so let me snip off the thread. We want to clean all the snip off this thread at the end and at the beginning. Alright? I have a feeling that we have like the perfect buttonhole, okay? So now let's take a look at the buttonhole. See how perfect that is? I'm gonna use this seam ripper to cut it, okay? So we're gonna cut it. And I have to admit, use the sharpest one that you got. Don't use the dull one for the seam ripper because the thing could go wrong when you use a dual seam ripper, okay? So stick with the sharpie one. Alright, so now let's test it out. I'm gonna insert this button into the buttonhole, okay? See how perfect fit that is? Exactly like we demonstrated. We just insert this button just right, and you hold this buttonhole up, and then the button still fits just right. Not too loose, not too tight. Based on my experience, I use number 30 buttonhole function for the jacket, for the shirt. Thanks for watching, Designistas. I'm Rose, and you can design anything.